Shout out to our friends at Engui for sending us the EP2 Pro electric foldable bike to share with you guys. Real easy to assemble. It's 95% assembled in the box. All this information with 5 levels of pedal assist, your trip meter, your odometer, and your speedometer right in front of you, easy to see, and all kinds of light. You could do pedal assist or just hit that half twist throttle and juice this 750 watt motor up to 28 plus miles an hour. I tell you a secret, I had it up to almost 30. Front suspension standard, so many standard things they give you on this thing. It's amazing for this price point. So we take it to the beach. We take all our favorite bikes to the beach, and these 4-inch tires handle the sand with no trouble. It's got front and rear fenders that are going to keep that water out of places it doesn't belong. And I took this for a ride on loose sand, and it blew my mind. It blew my mind how well this thing handled on loose sand. Try that with your bike. See if you can get through it. Real easy to fold and load. Take this bike anywhere in the world, places you couldn't go to before because they were too far to ride to. Now you can take it to the beach, take it to the mountains, take it to your family's house, to your favorite parks, anywhere you want to go. We used to take bikes down to the Jersey seashore back in the day. Real simple, pop it in the back of your SUV or your RV and take it anywhere. It's just a joy to ride, super stable, a powerful battery. It's going to get you upwards of 40 to even 50 miles on a single full charge, depending on how much you pedal, how much you weigh, how many hills you go up. It's kind of difficult to estimate the charge, but they say in perfect conditions, if you're pedaling a bunch, you can probably get up to 50 miles on a full charge. It's a lot of fun to ride. And again, so many things are included. Standard fenders, your front and rear LED lights. It's all there. I mean, these are things you don't see typically on foldable bikes at this price level. And Engui on the EP2 Pro, they're like, here, just take it all, man. And we're like, thanks. Again, another feature, front and rear disc brakes standard. So you'll be able to stop on a dime when you need to, because when you're moving upwards of 28 miles an hour, you're going to need to stop, and you need that secure way to make sure your wheels are going to stop when you need them to. Take this thing for a ride. I think you're going to love it as much as I did. It's just a joy to ride. And again, pedal or don't pedal. You got 5 levels of pedal assist. You could turn pedal assist off and pedal it like a bike. Or like me, I'm just chilling out here, feeling free like the breeze, riding this thing on the beach like a bird. And it's just so much fun to have that freedom to pedal or not pedal. It's entirely up to you. The Engui EP2 Pro, 2 thumbs up. It's a great bike at a great price.